No one heads out on the road expecting to stand still and watch the clock tick by. Yet all it takes is a single careless moment for countless people behind to be forced into waiting without even knowing why. Minutes stretch longer, schedules fall behind, while the one who caused it may have already driven away. Park time captures these situations, where the real cost isn't measured on a fuel gauge, but in the time taken from so many others. No honking, no collision, no drama. Just a clean exit that leaves the entire parking lot quietly impressed. Buddy, parking like this is definitely wrong.
Handicap parking.
Park illegally, and suddenly, the next part of the trip doesn't require driving anymore. No report, no tow, just the community marking the mistake with 100% handcrafted effort.
100% think you have a right to complain because that's your vehicle in a handicapped spot. This is a test.
Traffic awareness isn't about how you steer, it's about whether you choose to give space or take convenience.
From getting into their vehicle so you could charge your Tesla when I know there's probably more in ample places that you could have done it, so.
Whoa.
When you can't find a parking spot, but instead find your destined obstacle.
And best parking
Others
award goes
park for
to-
convenience. This guy parks to claim territory. Traffic civility starts with respecting order, not fighting for position. Elite reversing skills from a big truck driver. Could you do this? A driving skill test in a confined space, unfortunately, failed right in the parking lot. Parking like solving an advanced 3D geometry problem. The car isn't dented yet, but the fighting spirit has already been activated. Confidently reversing, too bad the mailbox didn't sign up to be an obstacle. Karma tends to arrive early, so don't do anything you'll regret.
You can't park there, bud!
Parking like this can get expensive repairs, and even a new car aren't cheap. Long time no see, my friend. Let me give you a kiss. What do you think did her car really deserve that treatment? An impressively executed act of revenge from that woman. I actually like this style. This ending is extremely satisfying, but don't try it yourself. Take it easy, buddy. The gate wasn't fully open yet. Imagine if one car disappeared, how much space that would free up for pedestrians and cyclists. Maybe she just didn't like that brand of car blocking her view. A very bulky and time-consuming parking attempt by this woman. When everyone sees a dead end, this guy sees a secret escape route. Park the car in the garage. This kind of mistake gets expensive fast. Just a small thing, he does this every day, no need to worry. Most people park to fit in. This guy parks to test humanity's patience. The car refuses to reverse. The driver refuses to listen. Traffic jams are inevitable. Not a major accident, just a bump big enough to make your wallet feel cold. Parking rules don't talk much, but the community always finds a way to remind you. Only after parking do you realize the obstacle wasn't in the rearview mirror. One careless minute during roadside assistance can turn a small issue into major damage. She didn't fail to park, the spot just wasn't ready for her yet. Not sure if he wanted a souvenir photo or to test the owner's patience. The car isn't broken, the horse just chose the wrong place to rest. How did she even get a driver's license? I seriously doubt that card.
People do. Imagine this stupid driver.
The house entrance isn't locked, just temporarily sealed by a set of wheels. The plan was to move forward quickly. The result was a front end sacrificed for art. No parking signs aren't decorations. They're there to keep you from meeting a tow truck in real life. The car is still there, only the owner's spirit is no longer intact. This isn't towing, it's walking a Mercedes back to school for a lesson on parking properly. Fast delivery is great, but driving faster than you can control only delivers trouble. No one called a painter, yet the car still got a freestyle graffiti makeover. Borrowing mom's car to practice driving, and the parking lot becomes an unannounced practical exam. When you park by inspiration, everyone else freezes because of you. Fines can be avoided by parking properly, not by last-minute resistance. The car saw everyone enjoying the water and decided to join a free swim. Not parking wrong, this is parking on an entirely new level. Police don't say much, they quietly wrap traffic awareness back into place. The car doesn't wait for the bus. The bus waits for the car. No explanation is needed. The outcome is already clear. Every gaze points to the same answer. Park time records the moment when consequences speak for themselves, closing the story in a way everyone silently understands.